Ever dreamed of escaping the daily grind for a sun-soaked adventure? With the magic of AI, you can now craft a digital vacation that's so convincing, even your boss might think you've jetted off to paradise. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered vacation. Step 1. Destination imagination. Start by selecting your dream destination. Whether it's a bustling metropolis or a serene island retreat, AI can help you immerse yourself in the culture and atmosphere. Use Pexels.com tools to generate detailed itineraries, complete with must-see attractions, local cuisine recommendations, and even virtual tours. Step 2. Social media mastery. Elevate your social media presence with AI-generated travel content. Craft captivating captions, write engaging stories, and curate stunning visuals that will make your followers believe you're living the dream. AI can help you generate creative hashtags, suggest relevant locations, and even write witty travel anecdotes. Step 3. Photorealistic imagery and cinematic storytelling. Transform ordinary photos into extraordinary travel memories with AI-powered photo editing tools. Replace boring backgrounds with stunning landscapes, add realistic filters, and even insert yourself into iconic locations. Your followers will be amazed by the authenticity of your travel photos. To achieve this, we'll use Wondershare Virbo. First, visit the Wondershare Virbo website and create a free account. Once logged in, navigate to the Talking Photo section and select Avatar Video. Now, let's create our avatar. You can either upload a photo or let AI generate one for you. For this example, we'll use AI. Enter a prompt like "man in front of a camera, wearing vacation clothes, full HD, ultra realistic," into the text box. Select a pose and the desired aspect ratio for your image. Click Generate and explore the diverse range of images presented. If you don't find the perfect one, regenerate or refine your prompt. Once satisfied, save the image and proceed to the next step. Remove the background of the chosen image. Then, upload the desired travel destination as the new background. Next, add audio. If using your own photo, record your voice. Otherwise, select a voice from Virbo's library. For this video, let's choose a strong voice like Michael. Navigate to the Input Text tab and click AI Script. Briefly describe the desired content or location for your image. Virbo's AI will generate a tailored script. Copy and paste this script into the Input Text section. Play the script and carefully evaluate the result. Does the voice align with the character of your image? Does it effectively convey the intended emotion and tone? If so, you've successfully given your image a voice, making it more compelling and engaging. Finally, add some finishing touches. With a few clicks, add background music and adjust the volume to create the perfect atmosphere. Ready to see the final result? Let's watch as our AI-powered image comes to life.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm taking you with me for an unforgettable beach experience. Let's soak up the sun together. I arrived at the beach early to catch the breathtaking sunrise. Watching the sky transform as the sun peeked over the horizon was worth getting up early for. After soaking in the morning sun, I took a walk along the shoreline. The sound of the waves and the soft, warm sand between your toes, it's pure bliss. Next, I took a dip in the crystal clear waters. Swimming in those turquoise waves felt like a dream.
Step 4. Maintaining the illusion. To keep your fake vacation believable, you need to maintain a consistent online presence. Use AI-powered chatbots to automate responses to emails and messages, ensuring that your colleagues and clients think you're truly unavailable. Step 5. The power of storytelling. Share your travel experiences with friends and family. Use AI-generated travel stories to recount your adventures, complete with vivid details and emotional anecdotes. The more convincing your stories, the more believable your fake vacation will become. By harnessing the power of AI, you can create a digital vacation that's both fun and productive. So go ahead, indulge in your wildest travel fantasies without leaving the comfort of your home. Remember, the key to a successful fake vacation is creativity, imagination, and a touch of AI magic. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy creating.